with you. I made some chicken nuggets. Look at that. We're gonna eat those in a little bit. We also have some turnip greens that I blanched and cooked. But I want to talk about plantain. Now, a lot of us don't know, some of us might know. This one in the back is green, too green to use. This one is on its way. This one I'd give it another day or two. But I took one that I had that we're gonna have baked plantain for lunch. So, what I did with this plantain is I took the ends off, cut the ends off, cut it down the middle, wrapped it in aluminum foil, baked it 350 for 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. Now I'm going to remove these out the way so you can see the baked one. I hope I have it on screen good enough for you to see. I just took them out the foil, and we're going to turn it around so you can see it. Now, where I slithered it, I'm going to take it and put it in my plate. How's about that? All right. Let's move my greens over. Now, what we're going to do is the side that I opened. Well, we're going to open it up. This is so delicious and sweet. We're just going to, you can serve it like this, or I have taken out some soy butter and you can just melt it on there. Now when the plantain is nice and ripe, it is really sweet. Let's just put it in there like it's a baked potato. Let it melt in there. We're not eating the peeling. What we're going to do is put a couple of these nuggets on there. Let's get that out the way. And let's see what we got. Oh my. We're going to turn this around a little bit because I want you to see the plantain. It is so soft, moist, delicious. Remember now, you don't want to do it when it's green if you're going to bake them. When they get all black spots and they feel not too soft, but soft. This one is on its way. Like I said, this one you can eat. I'd give it another day or two. And here we have our turnip greens, our nuggets, and our plantain. Let's see. Oh, that looks delicious, doesn't it? It's still hot now. It just came out the oven. Look at the little seeds in there. This is delicious. Another wonderful lunch. So we have turnip greens. We have chicken nuggets. And we have baked plantain. So we're going to feast on this. Now earlier we made the blueberry muffins. You saw those. But these muffins, remember now, we made these this morning, and these are the ones with blueberries, lemon zest, and pecans. So I'm going to freeze these, and then whenever I feel like I need to have a muffin, we'll get it for breakfast. So I'm going to say bon appetit and enjoy this day that God has given us. Amen.